Hello everyone, it's Kari here, back with you again with another sneak peek at something coming very soon to Missing Stamps. This is Rainy Day Bear, and it's another really cute 4x4 stamp set. It's got a little sentiment here that says, "Rain or shine, I'll be by your side," and this cute bear and bunny. Today I'm going to combine it with this stencil that came out previously. It's called Rainbow Sky. There's a rainbow, there's beautiful clouds, there's also a sun in that stencil set, which I think would be beautiful with this stamp set as well. So many things you could do with this set. Today I'm going to color this up and add a rainbow over the top. It's going to be so fun, so let's get started. I went ahead and stamped the little bear and bunny on some cardstock, and now I'm going to add that rainbow right over the top. I'll take that first layer and just tape it to the back of the cardstock. I'm going to cover up that little world in the center there because I don't want to accidentally get some ink over that middle part. And I'm going to take some small blending brushes and go ahead and ink this rainbow on. For this first layer, I'm going to start out with some saltwater taffy. I'm actually creating more of a pastel rainbow, and so I didn't want it very dark. I really want the bear and the bunny to be the star of the show. So this is just kind of like a little pastel rainbow in the background. For this next color, I'm adding a little bit of this salvaged patina. So it's kind of a really light green. And you want to skip colors because when you put the next stencil on, you're going to add one color in between those two and then another final color. So I'm going to add some orange marmalade here. And that's going to go in between the green and the pink that we've already inked on. And then my last color will be purple, and I believe I'm using Concord Grape for that one. So I'll go ahead and ink these on, and that will be our rainbow. I'm going to add a few clouds also to the end of the rainbow, so it's not just floating there. We've got some clouds to lift it up a little bit. I'm not masking off my image though. I'm being very careful with a little speckled egg ink, and I'm just inking the top and the bottom of this cloud and not getting it over that image. So it's easy to do if you have a smaller brush like this one. Then I'm just going to adjust it for the other side, add a cloud over there too, and I might add a few clouds to the top as well. Well, now it's time for a little coloring, and I'm going to bring in my Copics yet again. This is my favorite medium right now, but I also think this would be adorable watercolored. It really lends itself to watercoloring since it's got that element of water. I'm just bringing in a few different shades of blue. We've got B00, B000, and B000, and then I'll bring in the B12 to add some shadows. I'm adding a little bit to the bottom here as well, being very quick about it, not really adding too much to that ground. And see how I just blend that through the darker colors all the way to the light colors. They are so cute. Today I wanted a brown bear and a brown bunny, so I'm bringing in some different shades of brown, starting with some E30s for the bunny. I'm not leaving in all the coloring today. I just wanted you to kind of get an idea of how I was doing this though. I think these critters would be cute in all kinds of colors. I even colored the bunny a little bit pink last time. I think that would be really fun. And this bear, I also did a black bear version, which he turned out a little darker than I wanted, but I will show you that at the end. So you can see I kind of created like a muzzle for him, outlining that with my lightest color. And now I'm going to bring in some darker shades. So today for the bear, I'm using E15 as the lightest shade, E59 and E37, and I'm going to just kind of play around with him just a little bit. And today I'm going to do a little different technique than I did last time. If you didn't see my last video, I'll link it here if I can remember. It shows another sweet little bear 4x4 set that's coming to Missing Stamps. But look here, I went ahead and colored this bear all brown, but wouldn't it be cute if you added some galoshes? It would be simple enough to do. You just draw on like a little boot there, and you can color it in a different color. Any color you want for those galoshes. I'm going to have to color this again, this week, adding some galoshes. I love it. You could also stamp on some pattern paper and just cut out the bottom portion of his legs there to make little galoshes over the top. Oh, that's a really fun idea too. I love it. I'm going to do that. So this is the lightest color here, the E15, and I'm going over his entire body, but I am going to create a little tummy for him, like a lighter belly as well. So watch to see how I do that. I cover up the entire image with that light color, and now I'm going in with the medium color, the I think this is E15 that I started with there, and then I added the E37 and blended that through, and the E59 is the darkest. But watch here, I'm going to outline his little belly using this mid-tone shade, and I'm just slowly going over that, and I'll blend through all those colors like I like to do. So here is the beginning of his belly there. And as we blend through, it's going to get darker and darker. And that's how I'm going to color up this bear. But I'm going to add some fur details now. And this is simple to do. I'm going in with my midtones and I'm just adding some dots where the darkest part of the bear would be. And this is very simple, just adding dots very quickly. I know that it's a little bit small here. I tried to zoom in to show you just how these dots looked. And then I'm going to blend those dots out with the lighter color and then even go in with the lightest color and add dots all over this bear. It's going to make it look like he has fur, and it's kind of, it's fuzzy fur. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to also add some to his tummy there using the lightest shade. But see, this adds some texture. It adds some interest as well. Makes it look like the bear is a little different than that bunny, not just smooth colored. So this is another fun technique for coloring animals, and you can do this with larger dots if you want. I like to use smallish dots, but lots of different ways. To put this card together, I have cut it down just a little bit so that I could add it to a light blue backdrop. I'm going to add some of these embellishments that look like raindrops. They're round, but they do look like raindrops. They're so cute. And I'm just going to add that to various spots here on the card. And I'll add it to my top folding card base. And that's our card. Look how cute this bear and this bunny little duo is. I love it. I love that sentiment as well. I added some white gel pen highlights for some details. Here's my brown bear, or my black bear. He turned out a little darker than I wanted. I'm going to try that again using making a lighter tummy on him as well and a lighter face. But there you go. There's our sneak peek at Rainy Day Bear 4x4 stamp set. These will all be available starting on May 13th. Don't forget to check out the blog and the website for the whole entire new release. Hope to see you there. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.